Okay,
sir.
my dear students, today we are again in this class, and today you have to speak upon your teacher, upon your best teacher, upon your favorite teacher. As you know very well that teacher has very important role in our life. So you can tell what is a teacher, what is his work, or what a teacher should be. What should he do for his students, and what should he do for his students, and what type of teacher you like. And also you have to tell about your best or favorite teacher.
Pranam, sir.
Khush raho. Okay, so now we are starting our speaking class. Okay, so okay, first of all I am calling the name of Preeti to speak upon the topic. Yes, come on Preeti, start.
Good evening, all of you. Today, our topic is our teacher. A teacher is a person who build up the future of a child, and a teacher who creates our life and who motivates us. How can we live in society? A teacher teaches in school. We spend our lot of time with a teacher. In our life we get many teachers, but some of them becomes our favorite, and some of them we get remember them for always, for any thing we learned from them. Many teachers have taught me in my student life.
ध्यान से सुनो प्रीति क्या बोल रही हैं, और जो ये बोल रही है थोड़ा सा फॉलो करने की कोशिश करो, आप लोग भी अपनी स्पीकिंग में लाएं उन चीजों को. यस, कम ऑन प्रीति, कैरी ऑन.
Many teachers taught me in my life, and teacher is not who only teach in school, but teacher is a person from where we learn anything. That is our teacher. It can be our friend, it can be our schoolmate, it can be our parents, grandparents, etc. I have many teachers in my life, and my favorite teacher is Ravindra Ravindra Dikshit. He was he was my tutor. He taught me in 12th class, and he taught us all subjects. He was very strict as well as jolly nature. He was very strict in studies. He wanted that all the students should study carefully. He only wanted that we should behave nicely and we should focus on study. So he usually gave us many tips. How can we improve our study skills, our reading skills, and how can we learn the things easily? We went to take the classes in the morning, early in the morning at 6 a.m. At that time, many times it happened that he even he was taking bath, and he came whenever we reached his house. He came fast and he started to teach us. He starts to teach us.
Started.
And okay, he started to teach us. If he always give us learning and writing work, if any student did not complete the work, then he punished the students, and he told them that you should complete it daily, because if you will not do it, then you will not get succeed. But his favorite subject was English, and how much English knew before these classes, it was just because Mr. Ravindra Dikshit sir, because he daily gave us a paragraph in writing in Hindi, and he told us to translate it in English. With this, I improved my English, and because of him only, I am able to speak so much English correctly. But now the sir is telling us, so he has improved. Mr. Rajesh Gupta, my both sir are sir's name starts with a same letter R. So maybe in my life, R R letter is for my better future meant. That's all from my side.
Okay,
Thank you.
very good. Nice speaking. Yes, come on. Now, Shri.
Hello everyone, my name is Nitika Sharma. Today I tell you about my best teacher. My best teacher's name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He is about 54 years old. His hobby is teaching. He teaches us English. He teaches us very good. He teaches us step by step. He is simple person. He puts on simple clothes. His nature is very good. When students do mistake, he rebukes them. He is very punctual person. He is very good. He gives us extra time. But he doesn't take extra fees for us.
From us.
He very. I like him so much. He likes all students. Sometimes he meets me in center.
At center. At my father's clinic.
He gives me toffee. He also gives us online toffee. He is very kind person. He helps poor. He 2 months ago I can't speak English.
I couldn't speak English.
I couldn't speak English, but now I can speak English. It is due to by sir.
Due to sir, बस by नहीं.
Due to sir.
बहुत अच्छा. Very good.
Thank you sir.
बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. Shri, shabash.
Thank you sir.
Yes, come on, Swani.
Yes sir. My name is Suhani, and today I tell you about teacher. Teacher is very important person of our life, and teacher gives lots of knowledge to us, like general knowledges, like discipline and etc. Some children hated their teacher because teachers give homework for us. And homework is very necessary for our life. and teacher teach teacher. There are many types of teacher. There are many types of teacher, like tuition teacher, school teacher, coaching teacher, football teacher, etc. Lots of teacher. We see lots of teacher in our life.
Very good.
And some teachers are very some teachers are remember in our life.
Are remembered.
Are remembered always in our life. And they teach many things for our life. And teacher always say good things, and teacher are very good, and teacher is very necessary for our life. School teachers is only limited. Teachers are very limited. School teachers are very limited time, in very limited time in our school, because they are school teacher, and we study in school in very limited time.
बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे हो, शाबाश बेटा. हाँ.
Limited time. And teachers say many good things and many difficult things in our life. And sometimes teachers scolding us because we do mistakes in our work, in our playing, like etc. Mistake we all do. But teacher sir सुधारने को क्या कहते हैं?
Improve.
But teacher improve their students.
Very good.
Improve their students and teach good things to their students. And every teachers equal their student, not
consider. Every teacher consider their students equal.
Their students equal. Not this is a good student and not this is bad student. All students are equal for them. My teacher name is Rajesh Kumar Gupta, Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He teach me English and he
बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो बेटा, शाबाश. हाँ.
He teaches English to me, and he teaches English daily. Daily his teaching time is 7 to 8 p.m. And his nature is so good, and he improved me in English. He is 50 years old, and his favorite color is grey. He puts on simple and beautiful clothes. And
आराम से बोल, घबरा मत बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है, बस बोलती रहे ऐसे. हाँ.
Yes, sir. Many times he is scolding me because I not done my work.
I do not do my work.
I do not do my work properly. So he is scolding me, and I am sad. Scolds me, and I am sad. But this is good for me. He always gives online toffees and chocolates to his all students. And he has two children. And he lives near my house. He lives near my house, and he teach good things. Teaches good things to me, and he teaches discipline also. And earlier I joined their classes, his classes. So he some time ago I joined his classes. So he give extra time to all students for self practice. But now our self practice is complete, and speaking is going on. So he not give extra time to us, and
does not
give extra time to us, and he improved them in speaking. And that's it, sir.
Very good बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोला. जो भी आपने बोला ना, आपके मन में जो बात थी ना, आज आपने उसको बहुत अच्छे से बोला, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आज आपका। शाबाश,
थैंक यू सर।
वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा। यस, कम ऑन सिमरन।
Hello everyone, my name is Simran and I am a student of Ramban Interactive Classes. Today our topic is about teacher. A teacher is a person who play a very important role in every student life. Teacher shape the future of his student.
शाबाश बेटा, बस ऐसे बोलती रहे बेटा। हाँ,
Teacher like our second parents.
टीचर इज लाइक आवर सेकंड पेरेंट।
Teacher is like our second parents. A teacher is a best friend of every student.
शाबाश।
Teacher always keep their student priority first. And my favorite teacher name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He is 55 years old and he teaches us English. And he is a strict teacher, however very funny and caring. And he is a very disciplined person.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है बेटा। हाँ,
He come to school every day on time. He try to make study easy. And between class he makes some सर सुनाने को he tells some jokes. And he has two children. And his name is Gati Didi and Yakshesh Bhaiya.
Her name is, their names are
Gati Didi and Yakshesh Bhaiya. He teaches style is different.
Teaching style
by others. हाँ sir, his teaching style is different with others.
rather than others.
He teaches us to fight for evil and injustice. And he teaches us to how to speak English. And sometimes he share his lunch with us. And his wife is make very tasty aloo paratha. And then he care aloo paratha in his lunch. I eat his full lunch. And I give my lunch to eat him. And he has a car and 2 Activa. And he is my favorite teacher and I love him. Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, अब आपके मन की बातें आने लग गई हैं। बहुत अच्छी बात यही है, ये कोई रटा हुआ नहीं है अब, है ना। बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड, शाबाश। ओके, यस,
एक लाइन और।
हाँ बोल, तू बोल।
In school he give us toffees and chocolate, but corona is going on, so he give us online toffees.
ओके, वेरी गुड। ओके बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया। वंश, आओ बेटा।
Hello friends, my name is Vansh Sharma from Batch B.Ed. Today's topic is teacher. What is teacher? Teacher is very important in our life. Teacher, we can't live teacher.
Without teacher बेटा।
Without teacher. We can't education without teacher.
We can't get education without teacher.
Education without teacher.
हाँ।
My favorite teacher name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He teaches English. He teaches English.
थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखोगे ना बेटा तो करेक्ट आने लग जाएगा। हाँ।
He teaches English.
हाँ।
He teaches all students. he he is kind person. He सर समय के पाबंद को क्या बोलते हैं?
Punctual.
He is punctual person. He is hard worker person.
Hard working
person. He give online toffees chocolate for all students.
To all students.
He read newspaper daily.
Very good. शाबाश बेटा, बोलता जाए छोटे सेंटेंस. हाँ.
His age is 55 years. He live Chainpura.
In Malvinagar.
His children name are Yakshesh Bhaiya and Gati Didi. Their name are, वो तो सब बोल दिया नाम तो.
कोई बात नहीं. हाँ.
He watch TV daily.
Watches वर्क फॉर्म का ध्यान
Watches TV daily. He teaches very well. He is very important in our life. I like teacher. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट हो रहा है बेटा. वेरी गुड, शाबाश, कीप इट अप, करते रहो बेटा कोशिश. यस, हर्षित.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshit and I am the student of B.A. Tramban online interactive classes. As we all know that today's our topic is on my teacher. My favorite teacher name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He is about 52 years old. He works hard. He started a lot of batch. Nowadays Corona is going on, so he takes online classes. He teaches in schools also. In present, he teach in Divine Academy and RGPS school.
In present नहीं, at present.
Okay sir.
या in present बोल रहे हो तो टाइम लगाओ फिर. In present time या at present बोल दो आप तो ठीक है.
Okay sir. And he works hard. He is punctual. He wears simple clothes and clean clothes. He has 9 batches which are going on very happily. Everyone has a lot of problems. Sir has also a lot of problem, but he doesn't describe it on his face.
Very good, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा सेंटेंस बोला बेटा.
Thank you sir. He has 2 children. One is younger is son and elder is daughter. Younger name is Yakshesh Bhaiya and elder name is Gati Didi. He has a car and a scooter. Sometimes he got angry due to
gets angry beta.
Okay sir. Sometimes he gets angry due to some students, but when he get angry, so students think that how will he save from the sir's rebuke. And if sir rebuke it in online class, so he left the group or doesn't came in the class. Because he know if he will does mistake next time, so sir will also rebuke to him. And he go for a walk daily, and at night he doesn't sleep, so he does his work of the class. If he want to make, there is any work, so he does it. And he lives in Malviya Nagar, Jagatpura, Jaipur. And he is nearby of Jawar Circle. He go there for a walk. That's all sir.
Very good, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा फ्लो आ रहा है बेटा. Very good, very good. अंजलि.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali Meena. Today, my topic teacher. Teacher very important role in our life.
Teacher has.
Teacher has very important role in our life.
Hmm.
First, teacher, parents in our life. The second role, teacher in our life.
Hmm.
My favorite teacher name is Mr. Rajesh Gupta.
Hmm.
His age about 52 years.
Hmm.
His hobby is teaching.
बस छोटे-छोटे सेंटेंस बोलती रहे, शाबाश बेटा. हाँ.
He is very punctual. His nature is very good. He teach us English.
Teaches. हाँ.
He teaches us English. His teaching method is very good. He wears pencil. He goes to morning walk daily.
Daily.
Daily. He listening news daily.
Listens.
Yes, sir. He get up early in the morning. He believe God.
In God.
In God. He goes to temple sometime. His wife name is Mrs. Kamlesh Gupta. He has 2 children, one daughter and one son. Their names are Yakchesh Bhaiya and Gati. He helps all students every time.
Very good.
He is very nice person. He is very kindly and polite.
Kindly नहीं, kind.
Kind and polite. He helps poor student sometime. His favorite food, I think, dal bati churma. He lives at Malvi Nagar in Jaipur.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा. हाँ.
Teacher explained many things with study. He loves all students. Students love them. Teacher gave us knowledge. There are many teachers in our life. Teacher is very necessary in our life. That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा. बेटा ये जो बाद में बोला ना आपने,
yes, sir.
जनरल टीचर्स के बारे में कि वो नेसेसरी हैं, वो ऐसे हैं, इसको पहले बोलते हैं आप और फिर अपने फेवरेट टीचर के बारे में बताते हैं बाद में. कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन आपने बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा, है ना? yes, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. Yes, now Mona.
Hello everyone, my name is Mona Meena. Today my topic is our teacher. Teacher is very important for us, and teacher is the second person on our family. And I think teacher is a part of our life.
Very good, बहुत अच्छा. बोलती रहे, बस जो मन में आ रहा है उसको ट्रांसलेट कर करके बोलती रहे. शाबाश बेटा. हाँ.
Teacher has a very important role in our life. Okay. My favorite teacher name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gupta. He is about 53 years old. He is kind and punctual. He teaches students He he is a good teacher, and he loves me, and I think my teacher is best teacher. He 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 get up early in the morning.
शाबाश
Gets
बेटा.
up early in the
बोलती रहे
morning.
हाँ हाँ.
He goes to walk daily. He puts on simple clothes, and he take online classes, and he comes on time. His behavior is very good. And nature is very good. He has two
Children.
One sister
One
and
daughter. One daughter.
and one son.
हाँ. बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है बेटा. बहुत अच्छा. हाँ बोल.
He bring chocolate toffees on students, like for students.
हाँ शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
But going on a corona time. That's it.
ओके. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. फ्लो आ रहा है धीरे धीरे, है ना. बहुत बढ़िया. कोई चिंता मत कर. बहुत बढ़िया हो रही है. हो रहा है तेरा. यस दृश्य.
Hello everyone, I am Drisha Agarwal. Today I am going to tell you about my teacher. First of all, I will tell you about teacher. What is a teacher? Teacher plays a very important role in our life. Teacher is very necessary for us. Teacher, we can get teachers in many ways. Like a tuition teacher, school teachers. We also get our favorite teachers in our school. There is the role of a teacher is not only to the role of the teacher is not only to teach the students but to win the heart of the students.
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा. बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी गुड. हाँ.
So they can focus on their studies. Study the thing that we can not done by forcing. We have, if we wish ourselves, so only we can done our studies by them.
Very good.
Now I'll tell you about my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher's name is Mrs. Akansha Khandelwal. She is a woman. She has two children. She has two children. One is a younger sister and
daughter. Sister.
She has teached so many students
She
in
has
her life.
taught. She has teached and taught.
Yes, sir. She has taught many students in her life. First time I saw her in my 4th class. But because of my destiny, I met her again in.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा. हाँ.
I met her again in my 7th class. When I met her first time in 4th class, that time she taught us science. But this time she is teaching computer.
She was teaching.
No, sir. This time she is
Okay.
computer. She manages many things. Her behavior is nice to every children.
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
She scold any children at very rare chances. When she scold or beat, very badly.
Hmm.
She beats very badly. She doesn't care where she is beating.
Hmm.
That's it.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया दृश्य. Everything is very good. Yes, come on, Astha.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Astha from Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today I am telling you about my favorite teacher. First I am telling you about teacher. Teacher is very necessary for us in our life. Teacher explain many things many things to us.
शाबाश बेटा. हाँ.
Sometimes we don't do the work, then teacher punished us.
Punishes
us. Teacher gives new knowledge to us. My favorite teacher name is Mr. Rajesh Gupta. He is an English teacher. His wife's name is Mrs. Kamlesh Gupta. He has 2 children. Their names are Gati Didi and Yakshesh Bhaiya. He lives at Malviya Nagar in Jaipur.
Very good. हाँ.
In Jaipur, every student is equal in his eyes.
शाबाश.
He puts on simple clothes. He is about 50 years old. He also gives online toffee and lollipop to us. Our performance is not good without him. Teacher has very important role in our life. He is a person of self-discipline.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश बेटा. बहुत अच्छे सेंटेंस बना रहे हो आप. हाँ.
He teaches us to do self-discipline.
To maintain self-discipline.
He also take online classes of many batches. His behavior and his nature is so nice. He talk with respect from others. He taught in RGPS school, but he does not teach in school because of COVID.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
His favorite food is, I think, dal bati churma. He loves all the students of all batches.
Very good.
He is a punctual person. He reads our comments in night after the class. He takes online class of our batch at 7 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Very good. From 7 p.m. to 8 p.m.
From 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. He goes for a morning walk daily. There are many teachers in the world, but I can't find a teacher like you.
Very good. बहुत अच्छे सेंटेंस बना रहा है बेटा.
He believes in God. I like him so much. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. बहुत अच्छा आस्था. शाबाश बेटा.
Okay, sir.
Yes, now. Koinur. Koinur, are you present? I think he is not present. Yes, Vinay madam.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to tell you about teacher. First, I will tell you what is importance of teacher. Teacher plays a very important role in everyone's life.
मैडम बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे बोलना है, लेकिन बहुत आराम से, है ना?
Okay, sir.
हड़बड़ाहट नहीं, बिल्कुल भी. नो हरली बरली.
Okay.
कोशिश करोगे मैडम आज आप, है ना?
जी. He plays a very important role in everyone's life. Teaching is a very responsible job. I have heard that some people says that if you don't have any work, then why don't you join a school? Just go any school and start teaching. But teaching is teaching is not that you read something and go and give the lecture. Teaching is teacher is like doctor takes care sick person, and engineer makes building, but teacher make nation. So it is not a easy job as people takes, but it is a very responsible teacher teaches us reading, writing, and to become a responsible, and they teach us to work togetherly and help togetherly, and we learn lots of things from them. And now I will tell you about my teacher. My when I was in 12th class, there was a teacher. He taught she taught us history. She was very hardworking lady. She took 2 periods in a day, but that time we were not understand their hard work.
We didn't understand their hard work.
Sorry, we did not understand their hard work.
Her hard work.
Her hard work, and we got all time. We got very irritated. We got irritated. Why, we got irritated. Why did ma'am take? Why don't ma'am take 2 periods? One is enough in a day. But still, she takes 2 periods in a day, and she's a very passionately, and she is very soft. She has a very soft nature, and she's a very simple lady. She always wears sari, and when we go to her and tell us about her any problem, she always ready to solve the problem.
She is always ready to solve. आप आराम से बोलो, लेकिन थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो आप. हाँ, जल्दबाजी नहीं करो.
She is always ready to solve about to solve about our every problem.
About क्यों लगा रहे हो? She is always ready to solve our every problem.
To solve our
आराम से बोले, एक शब्द पे ध्यान दो अब आप बोलते समय, है ना?
जी. And sometimes it happened she was sitting in the staff room, and we had a work to her, and we called ma'am, and she that time she was 62 years old. She had retired, but she rejoined the school. And she didn't have any child, so that's why she loved her. She loved us very much, like her child. And now I understood, now I realize her hard work and the bond of the teacher and the student. As I am also in this profession, and one year is one year is complete when we think that a new session is about to start, and these old student will go to another class. And that time I feel very nervous, and there is a very much हो जाता है, मतलब एक attachment हो जाता है.
There is so much attachment. ठीक है, क्या दिक्कत है?
There is so much attachment with the students, and
yeah, we feel
very much attached with them.
Yeah, we are attached. ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं. बहुत सारे तरीके होते हैं एक चीज को बोलने के. We are attached.
We are attached with them, and I don't like. Although I scold my students, but I don't like anyone scold my student. If anyone scold my class student, I tell that person, don't do this again. Tell me if you have any problem, just come to me and tell me if you have any kind, but don't scold my student. And second one is Mr. Rajesh Gupta sir. From him, I'm learning English. He is a very genuine person. He is a very hard-working person, and he is the way of his way of teaching was very different. I have sorry, the way of teaching is very different, and I have heard so many courses going on who teaches who learn English, but they don't do hard work like him. They gives us lots of tips how to be improved our speaking, and they all, and not only give us in tips, they also do hard work for us. He does hard work for us, and he takes classes. His classes started morning start from morning to till 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. And after that he does lots of work for the students, and he checks self work also. And that time also he correct the mistakes which we make in our work. And we after the class we send some messages, and in next class he also checks our messages and tell us our mistakes again. And he's doing lots of work for us. And just because of this we are reached in this stage. We have reached in this stage. On this stage, when sir gives us a topic and we are able to speak on that topic. And I very much respect I do very much respect my English teacher, and that's it sir.
बहुत बढ़िया.
थैंक यू सर.
थोड़ा सा आप आराम से बोलो.
हाँ सर, वो हो जाता है मेरे
वो आपका है ना, वो वही प्रॉब्लम है आपकी. जिस दिन वो प्रॉब्लम खत्म हो गई ना मैडम,
हाँ वो
अब पता है क्या है, आपको चीजें सब आती हैं, आपको पता होता है, लेकिन वो हड़बड़ी में क्या होता है,
हाँ
वो
सर, वो
एकदम ऐसी जल्दबाजी सी और ऐसी होती है. इसको थोड़ा सा आप रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हो अपनी?
नहीं सर, रिकॉर्डिंग तो अभी नहीं की है
आप
मैंने.
रिकॉर्डिंग चालू कर दो आज से.
सर मेरे को ये पूछना था कैसे करनी है रिकॉर्डिंग, मतलब जैसे उस पे जो, चलिए आप क्लास खत्म कर लीजिए उसके बाद बताइए.
हाँ उसके बाद बताता हूँ मैं. ओके है ना? यस, कम ऑन पूर्णिमा. बाकी बहुत अच्छा है मैडम आपका, आप चिंता मत करो. वही एक चीज है, वो भी ठीक हो जाएगी. बाकी कहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना. वो हड़बड़ी में क्या होता है कि चीजें आती हुई भी गलत कर जाते हैं.
हाँ वही तो होता है सर,
वही होता है ना, वही तो ठीक करना है आपका. करूंगा मैडम, करना पड़ेगा आपका, बिल्कुल वो चीज करेंगे आपकी ना.
अभी पूर्णिमा किसी के साथ बाहर बैठी हुई, अगर फ्री होगी तो ही बोल पाएगी, नहीं तो आप कंटिन्यू कीजिए क्लास जो.
अच्छा बस लास्ट है पूर्णिमा, तो
अब तो पूछ लेते अगर वो फ्री होगी.
एक बार आप पूछ लो है ना, एक बार आप बुला लो उसको.